Hi, we're guys doing stuff. And today, Grandpa asked us to make some BootJacks.
Go!
We built these BootJacks from old pallet wood. We had some pieces of oak and some pieces of poplar. We ran them all through a planer to get them to the uniform thickness, then glued them together into a wood sandwich. Oak for the bread, poplar for the meat. We added some weight, then left it to dry. Once the pieces had dried, Dad cut off the ragged edges to make a square, then sliced it down the middle to make 2 equal pieces, for 2 equal BootJacks. We used a straight edge and a pencil to sketch a rough shape, then made a mark where we thought the heel would rest in the jack, and found the center point. We took the wood to the drill press with a 2-inch hole saw to bore out a spot for the heel to catch. Then it was time to mark a cut line to the hole we just drilled. We gave it to Dad to cut out on the bandsaw. He saved the scrap piece and cut off the horns. We'll use that later. A rough sanding. And here's where we used that scrap piece. We're using it to prop the front of the BootJack off the ground to make it easier to use. We drilled a hole through the top, into the scrap, and glued it together with poplar dowels. Back to the sander to smooth off the nubs. Then flip it over and smooth the bottom so it sits flat on the floor. A coat or 2 of shellac and done. If you like what you saw, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'm Gus.